Hello, my name is Terrence Giles, and I'm tuning in here from Little Rock, Arkansas. Hashtag replay, and let me know where you're tuning in from just in case you missed this video after I post it. I wanted to come online just to invite you to our amazing webinar on tonight. Again, you heard me, Webinar Wednesday that starts at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, Central Standard Time, 6 o'clock p.m. This webinar is where you will hear the different testimonials of everyone that is earning with the platform. You will see the amazing results. We have an amazing Facebook group with the testimonials of every part of income that we receive in this program. This is a team environment, a team building experience with each other. You have to be a participator. You have to be willing to learn. You have to be coachable and teachable. We have amazing coaches, and we also have a phenomenal mentor who has taken us under her wing and has laid the foundation for this program. This is something that you can come and experience for yourself and be a part of. I have earned exactly $1,450 with this company. This is amazing. You don't even earn that sometime within a year, but you can earn it if you just follow instructions. It's just not even about making the money. You're going to learn how to brand yourself on Facebook. You're going to learn how to just brand yourself on just the different platforms. Learn how to engage with others on your social media platform. You're going to learn what it takes for you to get the steps to be successful. Again, it's 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, 6 o'clock Central Standard Time. This is an amazing webinar. You want to be a part of it. Again, Webinar Wednesday. Come out and be a part. You will not be disappointed. I will place the link down below in the comments, and I look forward to seeing you there. And I'm going to have to end this live because you see it's starting to rain out here. But I just had to get on here and tell you about this amazing webinar and how this platform is blessing so many like myself. It is time we're getting amazing and phenomenal results daily and weekly. You want to be a part. If it's newbie friendly, if you never earned online, or you say, I don't have what it takes, you have what it takes. Again, you heard me say newbie friendly. So that means anyone can come in, pick up, learn, run with it, and you'll be glad you did. Again, I look forward to seeing you tonight, 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, 6 o'clock Central Standard Time. Again, have a great one, and tune in for more because there will be more coming from me. Have a great one.